All right, good morning from sunny Angeles City. I'm outside. Well, we're up here in San Fernando right now, checking out more car dealers. We came by the Ford dealer here, Ford of Pampanga, and I figured we'd stop in here, just check out prices, check out the Fords, and see what they have to offer, so we can get a, get an idea of what Fords are selling for here in the Philippines, and show you guys the Ford vehicles here and the Ford prices here. All right, guys, we are inside the Ford dealer right now. This is the Ford Expedition. Massive, big vehicle. Couldn't even fit it in my garage. I'm gonna list all the prices like I did before, but yeah. The Expedition. Nice vehicle, huge. Then you got the Mustang. This is very nice. Black Mustang 5.0, fully loaded. Awesome vehicle. Very nice vehicle. Are these all 2018?
This one is a 2017 model.
2017 model.
Our 2018 model are already
out the door.
Yeah.
Gone. Okay. But every single other vehicle's in there 2018. Okay, so there's no 2019. But yeah, look at that Mustang. That's beautiful. Very nice service center here. Ford. You got the Ford dealer, the Ford sign. You got, this is the EcoSport, the Ford EcoSport. Another nice vehicle. But look, and you got look, reading the prices.
Before you go to the car, like that's one that's much better compared to that.
With the Ford Ranger, another super nice vehicle. And they vary in prices from the cheapest all the way up, for the simple reason some are automatic, some are fully loaded GPS and backup cameras. So yeah, they will vary in price. More stat. This is the Everest. Another very nice vehicle. Once again, out of my price range. But very nice. And then they have a white Everest here. Looks like they're charging the battery. Ford Everest. Like I said, these are very nice vehicles. Super nice. And another EcoSport. They got two more vehicles on display. We'll walk back there and check it out. Once again, the Everest. Super nice vehicle. So showroom, very nice showroom here. I think this is the Eco Sport, I'm not sure. We'll go around the back and check. Yeah, the Eco Sport. I think he told me this one's the fully loaded leather seats. And not for sale. He told me it's the owner's vehicle. Very nice, Model T. Check it out. Nice. Very nice. Articles on display. Yep, there it is, guys. This is what they have here. Like I said, very nice showroom. They even have beverages here. Little beverage counter. Cashier. Waiting room here. Service center out there. They do it all right here. They have a little fine look now. And our guy, salesman, see what more he has to say. But there it is, guys. Here's Ford here up in San Fernando, Pampanga. There's our sales guy. There's Lut, and that's about it. All right, guys, we are now outside the Mitsubishi dealer up here in San Fernando. We're gonna go in. Here it is, Mitsubishi up here in San Fernando. We're gonna head in here. Mitsubishi Days, June 12th through the 19th. Come in and get exclusive savings. So we're going to go in here. We're going to check out Mitsubishis now, check out their cars, see what they have to offer and prices on their cars. All right, I am in the dealership right now, and these are the Montego Sports. 1, 2, 3 Montego Sports. And once again, they vary in price according to what's offered. Let me show you here what this one here is. Montego Sport. There are the specs.
Also, this one has the 8-speed automatic.
8-speed automatic. Nice vehicle. Very nice vehicle. You see they got 3 of them right here. Another one, gray Montego Sport. A horn. And I'll show you the specs on this one. There are the specs. Once again, no prices, but we got the sheet for it, and I'll show you guys Montego Sport. There's another one, white one. This is the top of the line. There's the specs. Nice vehicle.
Yeah, the sensor supply.
This is the expander. Check out the specs on this. Expander. Really like the front end of this, pretty cool looking.
This one has the futuristic style too.
Yeah, it's futuristic style. Then you have the Mirage. Here's the specs. Little car. I think it's the hatchback. Could be wrong. Don't quote me on these. And you have another Mirage here. Don't see the specs on this one. This is the Mirage G4. And another Mirage G4. That's it, man. That's all they have here. They don't have the Lancer. I really would like to have seen the Lancer. But they don't have that here. The specs are on this side here. Let me check it out for you guys. Show you. There's the Mirage G4 specs. That's it. That's all they have in here. Nice dealer. Once again, like they told me, if you want a certain car, let us know. We can get it in and bring it in. And oh yeah, look at all these desks and everything in here for everybody to wheel and deal. Yeah, nice. Like I said, these are nice vehicles here. Just like the Everest. Super nice, but out of my price range. So anyways, there it is. There is the inside of the Mitsubishi dealer here up in San Fernando. Here are the vehicles that they offer, and I guess we'll move to another dealer and check out some more. All right, so now we are at Hyundai up here in San Fernando, Pampanga, right across the street from the Ford dealer, and we are gonna head inside here and check out Hyundai, get some prices, and film their showroom and whatever they have to offer. All right, guys, we are inside the Hyundai dealer right now, and it is a no-go. Well, let me show you why. Let me show you why. Dun, dun, dun. Red. 2 red cars. You know what? They only have 3 cars in here. 3 accents. 2 red. And 1, I don't know what that color is back there, but this is all they have. The accent. And I like I said, I like to look at a car and see what, you know, see what the car looks like and go through it and check it out. But 3 accents. And not exactly what I'm looking for, but I will put the price up so you guys know. And then they have this, I don't know what it is, kind of appears to be a grayish color, but guys, not for me. This is their showroom floor. 3 vehicles, 1 desk. 3 salesmen in case 3 people walk in. But this is it, guys. And they're salespeople. Hello. Very nice people. So, all right, that's it. All right, so we are back now from doing some car looking, shopping around. You know what I've learned and seen, at least here up in Angeles City, there's 3 major car companies that people buy up here. Toyota, Honda, and Mitsubishi. Those are the 3 main vehicles you see on the roads up here. I mean, for the past couple days, Lit and I, we've just been, when we're out and about riding around, we'll be like Toyota, 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 Honda, Honda, Mitsubishi, Mitsubishi. I mean, people do buy Fords. You do see Fords running around, but not that many up here. Hyundai, occasionally I'll see a Hyundai. Kia, you know, you see them here also. Suzuki, occasionally you see them. I mean, I don't know. I didn't price Suzuki's. From what I'm told, they are a little cheaper. you'll see once in a while, you'll see a BMW, a Mercedes. Matter of fact, I've seen a Mercedes today. There's a guy with a Lamborghini up here. I've seen a Porsche up here. But those three companies are the three main companies I see people driving around in up here in Angeles City. Here's how I look at it. If I'm buying a new car, I'm going to keep it for a long time. You know, I'm looking at down the road, 5, 6, 7 years down the road, when the car is no longer in warranty, the parts are no longer easily accessible through the dealer, but you'll still be able to find them here in the Philippines. As you know, and as I know, you know, like Kia parts, when the warranties wear out, to find them parts here is little to none, I guess, depending on the part. But that's how I'm looking at down the road and accessibility of parts down the road. But like I said, I'm not going to keep shopping around, keep looking. We kind of have our mind set on one, the Honda City. We like it. It's in our price range, has everything we want. And right now the next step is selling the car. If you've been following the channel and really been following the channel, you guys know that I had to repair, I got the car repaired from, you know, when it was hit with the jeepney, and then the front corner that was hit by a car. You guys know I had all that repaired. Now I got to get some touch-up paint done on the front end where the motorbike scratched up the front end. Already got a quote on that. Just a matter of showing up and getting that done. And then from there, now it's just a matter of selling the car. I have somebody, a guy that buys used cars, coming to see it Saturday. Plus we have a couple other leads that we're going to be going with. But anyways, that is what's next. I got the taillight on order. Got to wait for that to come in also. And that's where we're at right now. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up. Tomorrow's a new day. Sun is still shining here. And journey continues tomorrow, and we'll see you then.